guys, welcome back to Closet Raid. I am super excited today to be here with Luna.
Yeah.
Her style's so cute. I literally just came across your stuff like on YouTube. I think you did a prom video that popped up that had like a lot of views, so that's major.
Yeah.
And I was like, who's this Luna girl? Like, I was lurking her style and it's so cute. So tell me a little bit about your personal style.
I was trying to come up with an answer for the question. I knew it was
such a hard question.
It's the worst, but I have so many different styles. Like I switch all the time. Like one day I'm like full cowboy boots and like dresses and braids, and then another day I'm like try to be Billie Eilish. You know what I mean?
That's amazing.
But
which you went to her show.
I did last.
How
night.
was
it
that?
Was insane.
Oh my gosh.
I wish I could be her.
Her fashion sense is nuts.
Yeah, but I would say mostly it's pretty girly.
Yeah.
And yeah, just like LA, California girl.
California girl.
Yeah.
And this is also a hard question. If you could pick one thing in your wardrobe that like describes you as a person, what would that piece be?
Oh my gosh. Oh, I really need to think. Let me look over here.
Yes. Oh my god, I love anything with stars on it, you guys.
I was just gonna choose this one.
Oh my gosh.
But I was like, is this bad? Like,
obviously you do too.
LA
she has
girl.
the cutest room, you guys, and she has like stars.
It's stars everywhere.
I love it so much.
Of course, I'm picking a Realization par dress, but I love them so much.
It's classic. It's like a classic wrap silhouette. Like, you can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong. And I mean, I wear stars, and there's stars all over, so it's like.
I'm obsessed with stars.
Yeah.
So cute.
I love it.
I love that.
I guess this would describe me.
And you have so many great pieces, so we have to talk about this jacket.
Okay, this is my favorite jacket.
Tell me the story.
I throw this on over anything, and it's like instantly cute outfit.
Yeah.
But my brother's girlfriend thrifted it and then gave it to me.
Amazing.
So I don't know where it's from, but it's like super original.
Yeah, that was like a great find.
I know. It's my favorite. It's
so
my favorite.
Good.
It's so cool.
And like, if you, I guess like, what would your look be if you were just running errands and just busy day? What would you throw on?
Running errands. Okay, I've been really into like the whole cardigan look. This is like full on like Brandy Melville promo here, but like just like a little zip cardigan, like 90s model.
Kind of like what you have on. Just like throw it on.
Yeah.
Super easy and cute.
Yeah. And then I'm not like a jean girl. I'm all about comfort, so maybe like a cargo pant.
Mm-hmm. And you're always dancing.
Yeah, exactly.
So tell me a little bit about that. Well, I guess what would you wear typically on like a dance day?
Yeah, I mean we have our dance closet
here,
guys. No worries. I know. And of course, just the casual like.
I feel like every girl is so like intrigued by like ballerina life.
They are. I mean, this is like my shoes and stuff. My leotards are actually over there, but yeah, you wear like a leotard and like all the leg warmers and the skirts and.
Do you have like a favorite brand of activewear?
Yeah, there's like a Yumiko brand. Yumiko. There's a ballet brand called Yumiko. It's my favorite. You like customize your leotards. It's like the designer of leotards. Ooh. It's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Like opposite end of the spectrum, when you're not like busy running errands or doing dance and you want to get like dolled up, if it's like date night or going out with the girls or something, what would you throw on for like a, like a nice dinner?
Definitely a dress. I love dress. This is like really cute Reformation.
Oh, this is dress. So sweet and like so dreamy.
Yeah. Peasant. Like
love it.
Dress.
Yeah, like little peasant sleeves. So sweet.
What else? Oh my god, I just bought.
Ooh, I see a sequin number.
Oh. Yeah.
Should we talk about her?
You can totally talk about her. This is for my birthday.
I love a birthday dress.
I know. It's really, I mean, I'm never going to wear it again. It's just like
it's so great.
Here.
It's one of those pieces.
I know. It really is.
I love that.
I need like a bigger event to wear this to.
Maybe like a fun carpet or something for summer.
This I just got. I'm obsessed with this.
Show me.
I wore this to the Billy concert last night.
This is so sick.
IMG. I got this from Wasteland.
No way.
Yeah.
I love Wasteland. I got my favorite sneakers there. Like I just love it there.
It's my favorite. And I've always wanted something like this.
This is so sick. Of course, Gia killed it.
This
is great.
I love them.
I love that floral is so cute as well.
Which one?
Last one right
This
here.
one? I know. It's really cute. Oh, it's definitely not zipped up, but
I love this.
I love a cute little dress. That's like my go-to, I would say.
It's easy to just throw on and go, and like that's so sweet. I love that.
I love it.
And okay, you have an amazing shoe collection.
Yeah.
And you have boots. You're like a girl after my own heart. I love a good dock. I love
I mean,
do you have like a favorite pair?
I mean, I wear these every single day, you guys. Like, you don't understand.
Amazing.
These, I wear them too much. And then I just bought these, actually. They're from Princess Polly. They're ROC something.
I love how tall they are.
But I've always wanted, like, a knee-high boot.
Those are amazing.
So they're gonna be my next go-to for sure. This was also a hand-me-down from my brother's girlfriend.
No way. Shout out to her.
But I know, right? It's just so flattering. I
Yeah.
posted a picture in this, and everyone was like, dying.
And it fits like the ballerina aesthetic.
Yeah, I know, because it's like poofy, but it's like,
but
so
still
cute.
kind of like cool and sexy.
Yeah, I know. I love black.
Me too.
I love black.
And what about, you travel a lot, you just got back from a trip, you were in Paris, and like had a wonderful time.
Yes.
What's your airport look?
Airport, okay. Probably some sweats and like a sweatshirt.
Cozy vibes.
You know? I'm trying to think. Oh my gosh, my brother gave me this. This is like probably the most lush sweatshirt I'll ever own. But it's like off-white.
Ooh.
Huge off-white sweatshirt.
So cozy.
He's like 6'8", so it's definitely like to my knees. But
oh my gosh.
I would wear this. It's like full blanket vibes.
I love
in
that.
the
I
airplane.
see a little power puff moment
Oh my gosh,
happening.
of course, yeah. So actually I posted a photo and I was wearing all white and I had this bag. And a million people commented, they were like, where's this bag from? And I was so excited because this is from Boohoo and I Sharpied these on.
No, you did not. She is an artist.
I know. But
I
can't draw for my life. I don't know what
Please
happened.
give this video a thumbs up just because of this, you guys. This is so impressive.
Like, should I start a business?
1000%. Customizing everything.
I know.
This is iconic.
I can't believe I did that, honestly.
Wow.
I don't know what was wrong with me that day. It was like
everything was right.
Yeah, right? Everything was right that day.
And do you have anything in your closet that maybe has like a super special memory, like a sentimental piece or something that is like dear to your heart?
Yeah. Let me think. Okay, I have something, but it has its own closet.
Ooh.
Wait here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna grab it for you. You're actually gonna die.
Oh my gosh.
You know what this is.
Oh my gosh.
You know what this is.
Dun, dun.
Opens up there. It's like, it takes years to stuff this in here.
Oh my gosh. There's two of
us. My prom dress.
You guys.
My prom dress.
Link in bio to your prom video.
No, I know. Shout out the Real.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know.
This is a dream.
It's insane.
You guys.
It's full swan like ballet vibes.
This just made my day. This is
right?
so beautiful.
I know. It has its own closet because it simply can't fit anywhere, but
it's perfection.
Yeah.
Sheer perfection.
I love it.
Okay, let's like.
I know. We can stuff her in.
We need two people for
no
this
worries.
job.
It's gonna take a while.
Look at all of that. Oh my god.
I can just put it over here. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay.
That's amazing. Was it really heavy to wear?
It was. The only thing that was like not good is that on the dance, I couldn't really dance because everyone was stepping on it.
Yeah,
don't touch me.
Move around as much.
But it was insane.
And wait, this is everything.
I love a two-piece.
Wait, a matching set is so good.
I know.
Who makes this?
Urban
You're
Outfitters.
kidding.
In Paris, though. I don't know.
This is literally the cutest thing I've seen in a long time.
I know.
And I'm around clothes all
all
day, every day.
I can imagine, but
wait, I'm in love with this set.
Yeah. I haven't even worn it yet.
Yeah.
I need to.
I can't wait for you to debut her because I'm going to like the picture on Instagram immediately.
Yes.
So cute. And then you have this set. You have so many cute things.
Cute. The IMG jeans.
Do you have anything that like you're currently obsessed with, you always throw on?
Okay, these little shirts from Princess Polly.
Ooh.
And like posted so many in them, but
that's fun.
It's not even like wearing them as a shirt, but if you wear them over like a silk slip dress or something,
like just to add another layer. Yeah, that's so cute.
They're really cute. I've been wearing those a lot, and then obviously the cardigans I was showing you.
Yes, I love a plunging neckline like this.
Yeah, I know. Me too.
So cute. And I see. Okay, you have your bags down here, and we definitely talked about the Power Puff.
Yeah.
But do you have another bag that you're like in love with, or something like?
Yeah. I have. I mean, she is just my favorite. I can't.
I'm
obsessed
this
with
Fendi.
Yeah. Me too.
Fendi
Me
kills
too.
it.
Recently, though.
Yeah.
Recently, yeah. I mean, I don't ever really buy designer that often, but I had to treat myself
So,
to
like,
this one.
bougiest thing in the closet.
No, 100%. Yeah. Or it has to be this or like the prom dress.
And
but,
it's
like,
so classic.
It is.
You
and
can
it's
have
just
this
so
forever,
cute,
ever.
like
Little
90s.
baguette. So cute.
It's never gonna go out of style.
Never.
But yeah, I love her.
So
Love her.
adorable. I'm obsessed with your style, obsessed with your closet.
Thank you.
There's so many cute things. I brought some snacks.
Oh, I'm
Food
so
and fashion
hungry.
are my two favorite things.
Me too.
So
Me
should we
too.
sit and chat?
100%.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are just fun rapid fire questions, but like let's snack. I brought like popcorn and
so
cookies, and I'm like
must
dying to
try
try
So
this.
these are like teddy bears?
Kind of, but like better. They're like honey. Aren't they so good?
Are they like good kid snacks?
I'm such a kid when it comes
I love
to
it.
food. Oh my
I love
God.
it.
I love snacks. This
Those
is
are so
like
good.
kettle corn, so it's like sweet. Oh my God, my mouth is like watering. Oh, yum. Okay, that's
They're
good.
so good.
That's really good.
Okay.
Okay, so this or that, chocolate or vanilla,
Chocolate.
heels or flats,
Heels.
grilled chicken or fried chicken,
Grilled.
designer or thrifted.
Thrifted.
You have so many amazing thrifted pieces.
Thrifted designer.
Yes. The secret answer.
Yeah.
Chips or ice cream.
Ice cream.
This is like the one that stumps everyone.
That's the worst. Yeah. I can't choose.
Long nails or short nails?
Short nails.
I usually have like the longest nails, but they're like haven't
Okay,
been done
that's
in
so
forever.
crazy because this is the first time I've ever gotten acrylics, and I'm saying short nails. But
Just prefer them.
I just prefer them. I wish I could have long nails though.
I mean, they're high maintenance.
It's hard when you're a dancer. You
Yeah,
know?
that's like way.
I like, can't tie my pointy
And
ribbons.
they would like break off and like
Yeah.
be painful.
No.
Gold or silver?
Gold.
Clearly,
Gold.
she's a gold girl. I love gold.
Everywhere. Only because I have this earring that I can't take out for like 2 years.
Oh my god.
And it's gold.
So we're gold.
Yeah.
We've committed. Daytime or nighttime? Did I already ask you that?
No.
Okay.
Daytime. I'm a day person.
You're productive.
Yeah, I'm a day person.
Bikini or one piece?
Bikini.
When you do makeup, heavy eye or a dark lip?
Heavy eye.
I love
Yeah,
heavy eye.
heavy eye.
Lash strips or lash extensions?
It's a lash strip.
Like just like the the like glue on like strip.
Strip, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah,
Not
like
extensions.
take them off and
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Talking on the phone or texting?
Talking on the phone.
I'm such a talker.
I love
too.
it. I love it.
Shopping online or shopping at the mall?
At the mall. Yeah.
In person.
Okay.
I need to see it.
Me too.
I hate even like with showrooms and stuff. They'll send me links.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I want to like touch it. I want to like
exactly.
see it. I'm like,
Ugh,
like
it never
that.
works.
Planned out or spontaneous?
Planned out. Oh my gosh. I'm the most Capricorn. Like everything needs a schedule.
That's
Yeah?
Joey. He's a Capricorn.
Yeah.
He's so.
Everything. I wish I was spontaneous. I can't. I can't.
I'm having a
Yeah.
hedgehog.
I need to try these.
So good. Mm.
Oh, this is good.
So good, right?
Mhm.
And they're light, 50% less fat. They're basically a salad. Black and white or color?
Color. Like for pictures?
Yeah.
Color.
Or for anything.
Like for style, black and white.
Black and white.
Sorry.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee. I
What's your order?
My order? Okay. Oat milk latte. Normally, I have like a hot one in the morning, and then I have my iced like for lunch.
So good. That's exactly what I do
Yeah.
too. I do almond milk, but oat milk is so good
I
too.
love oat milk.
So like thick and creamy
Right?
and like delicious. And
And-
now I want an
yeah.
iced latte
Me
so
too.
bad.
Me too.
Oh my god.
Me too.
Lastly, celebrity crush. Who is it?
Celebrity crush. Probably Lucky Blue Smith. Do you know him? No. Okay.
Do you need to like
no.
pull him up?
No, it's okay.
Who is
Let me
it?
pick another one.
No, like that could be your celebrity crush. I just don't know him.
He always has been.
Who is he? What is he from?
He's like a model.
Oh.
Yeah, but I'll give you another answer. Probably.
You're like, I have a few.
I know. Oh, Austin Butler
Okay.
from Carrie Diaries.
Yes. Very
Like
handsome.
just picking all the blondes here.
She loves a classic
yeah.
all-American blonde.
I do. And maybe like Timothy Chalamet. Just throw him in there.
Just throw him in
have
the
to.
mix. Why not? Why not?
Yes.
And okay, I have to try this pickled popcorn.
Oh, me too.
I'm so
Me too.
curious.
I haven't had it in a while.
This is from Trader Joe's. It smells like a pickle jar. Like, I love pickles, but that's strong.
That's
I'm, like,
really
surprised.
strong.
What the
Well, I'm
heck?
excited. I'm
Me
excited.
too.
Okay, I need to try this. I only recently started liking pickles.
Really?
Mhm.
I love pickles.
Oh, I like it.
It's so good. It tastes like it goes so good with the sandwich.
You would think it wouldn't be good, but it is.
Whoa.
It's really good.
How do they do that?
I don't know.
So, okay, tell me a little bit about yourself, like about your channel, about your dance, like everything.
Yeah, well, I'm 18. I'm from California. And I started my channel like 5 years ago. But only started recently, like
Blowing
really
up and
doing
like taking off.
Yeah.
That's amazing
Yeah.
and exciting and fun.
It is. It's
Because
crazy.
you work so hard on it and it takes so many years, and like when you finally get recognition and like get like people, you know, that are actually seeing it, because like I said, your video popped up in my recommended, which is so cool.
Yeah.
So you get like new eyes and new people that might be interested in the same things as you, and that's really fun.
It's crazy. Like I never thought I would be like the person I watched when I was little.
Yeah. And like,
it's
what
just so
has
fun.
been your favorite part of like being, I guess, a YouTuber?
Yeah, definitely just the response from people, because I've kind of built my channel off of the fact that I'm a ballerina, and a lot of it is about body image. And then just when I like have messages back from girls saying I help them in any way feel more confident.
It's the most rewarding, like
I'm
the
never,
best thing.
I've never felt anything like it. It's crazy.
Oh, I love
Yeah.
that.
Been holding that for a while.
And then I feel like that's everything. We covered the closet so well.
Yeah.
I love your style so much.
Thank you.
And I think, is there anything you want to talk about or promote or like anything like that?
No.
Do you have a posting schedule?
Yeah, it has been every Thursday, which
Oh.
is today. The video is yet to come out.
I gotta get out of here so you
I
can
know.
get to
No.
work.
I've been traveling, so it's like not coming out today. But normally it's every Thursday.
Every Thursday.
Yeah.
It's been busy for you.
Yeah,
You
it's been
travel.
yeah.
That's a big trip.
I know. It's long.
Okay, well, thank you so much for having me.
Thank
I had
you for
so
having
much
me.
fun. I loved
Yeah.
everything. It was so fabulous. Make sure you guys click the link in the description to follow her and subscribe to her channel. And be sure to comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing in her closet was, because I can't even decide. There were so many things that I loved. Actually, no, the little set from Urban.
Yeah, I know. It's really cute. I need to wear it.
But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.